Hi guys, it's Sara again. At home, and for me it's time to take care of my plants. For those who don't know me, I love plants. And yeah, it's time to propagate them, and I was thinking maybe you want to hear about it as well. It's quite easy, you don't have to be a profi, and it's quite relaxing and actually fulfilling activity either for you or for your host children. I know some of you would think, yeah, I'm not a profi, I don't have the tools for it. Well, you don't need them. You just need some basics tool to start growing your own plants, and you will see how fulfilling it is. Let's go for it. One of the easiest way to propagate plants is, for example, this with succulents. You just take one piece out of it, and you just put it either in some soil or even in cotton, and you will see how the baby plants will start growing, and actually they're so cute. As you can see in there, this will start growing in a couple of days. Another way to propagate plants actually is just to cut leaves from one plant and then put it in a glass with water. You will see how the roots will actually start growing, and you will have a new plant out of it. But in my opinion, the funniest and actually the best way to propagate plants is from scratch, from the very beginning. For this, you will just need a container. This could be either glass or plastic. This is from a yogurt, even a plastic, glass, whatever. The important thing here is just to put some holes down it so that the water can drain. Apart from that, you will need the seeds. Here we have, for example, beans or lentils or sunflowers seeds, and you will also need the substrate. Actually, for that, the best thing is to have some soil, like for example with this one, but I guess not all of you have some soil at home, so you can use instead some cottons. This is a cloth pad, but this was an example that you can do what you can actually use these makeup remover pads, or just cotton will do it. For this, what you need to do is just take the glass, put the cotton inside of it like this. It's really easy, and then just put the seeds inside them, and then just water them. And in a couple of days, please remember to water them, in a couple of days you will have something as beautiful as this. And that was it, guys. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do, and I hope your host children can also have some fun with it. You will see in the next couple of days, as soon as you water them, they will start to grow. And it's really an amazing time to stay at home and take care of your plants. Bye, see you!